is for comparing new modern air conditioners with a vintage air conditioner. Well, right here I'm going to start with the modern air conditioners. Like, for example, this piece of shit 2004 Hampton Bay by LG 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Look at this. And its cord, its plug was already replaced. So I'm going to turn it on and see how it sounds. Yikes. Listen to that. And it's not even cold. Still warm air. Oh, for your information, this video is for the air conditioner guy. I'll bet you're gonna love this air conditioner guy. Still not cold. Okay, good medium. And listen to that fan motor, that the bearings are going already. Hampton Bay, not only Frigidaire, that their fan motor bearings are going. Hampton Bay also, besides Frigidaire. And here's low. And listen to that compressor. And that compressor's starting to go too, the way it sounds. And it's still not cold. Well, now it's barely cold, but it's still not really that cold. Alright. And now it's cold after over a minute. Now it's cold. Like 1 minute, 12 seconds. Okay, now I'll shut it off. Listen to that. No, I'll just do fan only for the hell of it. Listen. All right, now on to the next air conditioner model. Okay, now here's a 2008 Frigidaire 10,000 BTU air conditioner, and this is how. Now listen to this sound. Okay, and this is another complicated part. This is complicated, not as simple as levers and knobs. Okay, here it goes. Sorry, my friend. It's still not cold. Barely cold. Sorry, the wind. Sorry. Now here's low. And here's high. What a piece just shit. It's still not cold. It's barely cold, but not as cold. Alright, shut her down. Not making a bad bearing noise yet, but it will. Alright. Moving on. And I gotta... no, I can't see a damn thing. And here we have a 2011 Amana 12,000 BTU air conditioner. And power on. Not cold. I'm sure this is for AirConGuy. Anyway, so AirConGuy, if you've seen the outside of these Amana units, these modern Amana units, you would see right there, it actually looks like the exterior of a large size Emerson Quiet Cool in your collection. See those side vents? Which is a good way to copy a, but not good enough. Barely cold now, not a little bit cold, not that cold. The outside of this unit looks like an old large size Emerson Quiet Cool. Only this side is getting cold, but not this side, it's still warm. Alright, now shut her down. Ah shit, now it's dark. Now this room. Actually, that's the same model. That one doesn't really... Alright, I'll skip that one. What the hell. But this one, that's the same model, but you'd be surprised. Well, I'm sure you might be surprised, but listen to this one. Here goes. The same model, Hampton Bay, 8,000 BTU. Here goes. The fan motor sounds worse than this one. These air conditioners are only a few years old, and these Hampton Bay air conditioners are shot. Listen to that. Similar, pretty much the same noise as my POS 2003 Frigidaire. Medium and low. And shut her off. All right, moving on. But this, you're gonna love this part, air conditioner guy. Look at this. Bingo! But the only problem is, they're gonna throw that one away. Not a smart idea. It still works fine, but they're throwing it away. For FYI, this is a school. This is a 1991 Frederick Quietmaster 10,000 BTU air conditioner. As you can see, it's from, I looked at the manufacturer date, it's from June of 1991. But this thing works awesome, even though they're making a big mistake of throwing this classic air conditioner away with a modern air conditioner. Fail. Anyway, so here it goes. Okay, make sure. There. Listen to that. No rattling, no vibrating, no bad bearings. It works perfectly. The thing is, this model has a more modern rotary compressor. And it's already cold. Already blowing cold. Feels nice. Okay. Has 5 speeds. As you can see. Oh, that feels nice. Pure cold air. R22 refrigerant. Okay. Medium. Now listen to how quiet it is. It's as quiet as AirConditionerGuy. When this is on pure low, it's just as quiet as your grandmother's 1970s 6,000 BTU, or I forget, hot point in the bedroom. And listen how quiet. I'll back up a little bit. You almost can't hear it. Listen. It sounds awesome. Okay. Now back to high. This thing works perfectly. From 1991, perfect. Pure perfect. Alright, let's shut her down. What a shame. They're throwing this perfectly good unit away. But I'm gonna pick it up and see if I can get it home, take it home without my parents yelling at me for adding some stuff to our house. All right, now for a surprise ending.